Imagine a kitchen countertop that doesn't just cook your meals, it transforms them, making every dish crisp, tender, and ready in minutes. That's exactly what we're exploring today. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we focus on products that earn their place in your home with real performance and lasting value. Today, we're looking at the Ninja Crispi Pro 6 in one glass air fryer, a versatile, family-sized cooking system designed to simplify meal preparation without compromising quality. The purchase link is conveniently placed in the description and pinned comment for easy access. The Ninja Crispi Pro isn't just an air fryer, it's a complete countertop cooking solution. With its 6-quart and 2.5-quart glass containers, multiple cooking functions, and precision temperature control, it caters to families, busy professionals, or anyone who appreciates healthy, crispy meals without the hassle. If you're tired of juggling multiple appliances or struggling with unevenly cooked food, this system is immediately relevant. Here are 7 reasons why this product is trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers and could be a smart addition to your kitchen. Reason number 1. Family-sized capacity. The Ninja Crispi Pro features a 6-quart main container and a 2.5-quart secondary container, capable of cooking a 7.5-pound chicken or multiple side dishes simultaneously. Whether you're preparing weekday dinners for your family or entertaining guests, the modular base allows you to adjust the setup to fit either container size, giving you ultimate flexibility for any occasion. Reason number 2. Powerful 1800-watt performance. This air fryer delivers up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning it can quickly crisp, roast, or dehydrate ingredients while maintaining moisture inside. From golden chicken wings to crispy roasted vegetables, the high wattage ensures consistent cooking without long preheat times. It's perfect for households that demand speed without sacrificing quality. Reason number 3. 6 functions in one device. Max Crisp, Air Fry, Bake/Proof, Roast, Recrisp, and Dehydrate. These 6 customizable functions let you cover nearly every cooking style. You can bake a loaf of bread in the morning, dehydrate fruit for snacks in the afternoon, and recrisp leftovers for dinner. This versatility eliminates the need for multiple appliances, saving both space and money. Reason number 4. CleanCrisp non-toxic glassware. Both containers are made with thermal shock-resistant CleanCrisp glass, allowing you to go from freezer to crisp in minutes safely. Unlike traditional non-stick metal, this glassware is non-toxic, dishwasher-safe, and durable, giving peace of mind for everyday cooking and storage. Reason number 5. Precision temperature control. The Ninja Crispi Pro offers precise temperature management up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means consistent results whether you're roasting vegetables or cooking delicate proteins. Accurate control reduces guesswork and ensures food is cooked evenly every time, improving both taste and presentation. Reason number 6. Leak-proof storage and convenience. Snap-lock lids make it simple to store meals without worry about spills. You can prep ingredients ahead of time, store leftovers, or even transport meals safely. Combined with dishwasher-safe components, this system significantly reduces cleanup time, making it practical for busy households. Reason number 7. Thoughtful design and safety. The modular base, permanently fixed heat-safe feet, and elevated glass countertop design ensure your workspace stays protected. You can safely set hot glassware on granite, quartz, or butcher block surfaces without concern. The transparent glass also allows you to monitor cooking progress at a glance, combining functionality with modern aesthetics. The Ninja Crispi Pro 6 in one glass air fryer excels in versatility, performance, and safety. Its family-sized containers, 6 cooking modes, and precision temperature control make it ideal for households seeking both convenience and quality. On the other hand, if you cook for a single person or very small meals, the size might be larger than necessary. Overall, it stands out because it replaces multiple kitchen appliances while delivering professional-level results trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers. If you value efficiency, durability, and thoughtful design in your kitchen, the Ninja Crispi Pro is a product that earns its keep. Check the purchase link in the description or pinned comment and make a confident choice for meals that impress every time.